Hello friends, the title of the video is Reserve Bank of India and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. From 1757 to 1858, East India Company ruled over India. In 1858, British Parliament had taken the control of Indian subcontinent from East India Company. From 1858 to 1920, British Parliament had introduced many changes in Indian economy and Indian currency system. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar had studied all these changes and published his thesis titled The Problem of the Rupee, Its Origin and Its Solution in 1923. He had shown how the changes in Indian currency had adversely affected the Indian economy and the Indian people. In his thesis, he had recommended to have a transparent and independent central organization to manage the Indian currency. The thesis was published in London in 1923. So, the British King George V had appointed one committee named Royal Commission on 27 August 1925. The committee had been given the task to make changes in the Indian currency system as suggested by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar in his thesis. The committee was consisted of 9 members. The chairman of the committee was Edward Young. The other members of the committee were Jahangir Kuwarji Koya, Purushottam Thakur Das, Sir Rajendra Mukherjee, Manikji Bairamji Dadabhoy, and others. This committee had recommended to set up RBI on the basis of thesis of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. The government of India had accepted the recommendations of committee on January 1927. Then, after 7 years, that is in 1934, Government of India announced the establishment of RBI. On 1st January 1935, the formal inauguration of RBI took place. To conclude, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar had a great role in the origin of RBI. Thank you for watching my video.